Hello, good evening everyone. Hi guys. So I just show you guys this is a video this afternoon. The continuation of my video a few hours ago I post. So this is a Toyota Altis aircon cleaning, and this is the mm, we need to replace this part guys of the aircon, the condenser. So the condenser is leak. So where it puts here, the condenser locates here guys, uh, beneath the radiator. So this is our aircon technician's tools. So to read the freon, he put the gauge to the freon to test. So let us see inside of this Toyota Altis. Oh, here's our friend, our aircon technician. He is the one who's responsible to dismantle the dashboard and assemble back then. So you can see here, he is still disassembling, so dismantling this dashboard guys. In the top of the Toyota Altis we put the dashboard. Look at inside. So look at inside guys. So you can see it's now starting to dismantle these parts. So thanks for watching guys, and have a beautiful evening for tonight, and just follow for more videos. So